One of the big issues that property owners deal with is handling their maintenance and repairs. Can be a all-consuming task, actually. So how can they streamline that process?
Yeah. I mean, me as an investor as well, that's I'll say my biggest hurdle as well. You know, when working with really any investment strategy is repair, maintenance, and also just overall renovations. So the first step to me, and this is outside of Home River Group, et cetera. This is just you as an investor. I think it's important to really connect and understand local um, contractors in your area who are insured, licensed, and bonded. I think that's extremely important. Second to that is you want to do your research for like what does it cost for more typical or common repairs, which are going to be paint, scratches, drywall repairs, carpet, tile, etc. You want to understand like how much do those repairs normally and typically cost. From there, when you're looking at your contractors, right, and sourcing your insured contractors, you don't want to just settle on one company. It is extremely important to have reliable backups when working with contractors. The second or the last thing that I would say is it's very important that contractor compensation. You want to make sure that you have everything structured and have those conversations up front. Contractor compensation should, of course, you think of quality, right? You want quality contractors and quality work, but also it's very important to structure their compensation on timely completion, right? Anytime that you're working on a project, delays can cost you lost revenues. So if you can ensure that your compensation is wrapped around how fast they're completing a project, that can really help increase revenues and ultimately profits.
Oh, absolutely. And I know from my personal experience, I have had many clients come in and they're upset with their contractors taking too long, or they're charging more than they thought, but they don't have anything in writing up front with them,
Exactly.
which makes it pretty difficult to resolve the situation. It's very important to have everything agreed to and documented up front.